Children of this generation basically live on their phones in their own virtual realities, whether that be in video games, texting or Snapchatting their friends, or just adding filters to their photos on Instagram. The options are endless. This can both be a good and bad thing, because in some cases, if a child is shy, he or she may come out of her shell and learn how to express themselves. They can explore on who they want to be. But on the other hand, for some, creating an identity online may increase children to not take responsibility of the things that they have done. Since these children are anonymous online, they think that they can get away with more by pushing their limits, which can lead to cyberbullying. And when a child gets cyberbullied, they can lack self-esteem, which can increase depression, which leads to suicide. Becoming a teacher, I think that all teachers should teach about online use. So children can learn the rules so they can play safe online, know how much or how little to share about their real lives, and to not be mean to others because they know that there's someone on the other side of that phone or that computer that they could be hurting. I also think that teachers should help students know how to properly present themselves on and offline, and how they should let them know they are worth so much more than the likes that they get on Facebook or Instagram. And it doesn't matter about the number of friends or followers they have. That should not reflect on the aspects of this world. I think that all the students would really appreciate learning about this, and it would be intriguing to them the whole time because they deal with it in their everyday lives.